Okay, this is our first exercise of Excel. This is the exercise which is given. There's a data set given of 10 employees, their joining date, basic salary, and how to calculate DA, HRA, CCA, PF, income tax, net salary are described below in terms of percentage of basic and other things. Now, this is the first exercise we are going to do on Excel. So when you open an Excel sheet, it will be looking like this. It will have a number of rows and a number of columns. Where a row and column meet together, we call it a cell. So here, right now, I am in B4th cell. So in order to enter this particular data and perform the calculation, I will enter this much right into the Excel sheet that I have done on sheet 1. It is available here. Now, first of all, I want to do the formatting. So this title which is entered here, it is limited to cell 1 actually. It runs over the subsequent cells. What you need to do, merge all these cells till the last column, IT, and go to merge and center option. So it is merge and center. Similarly, the second one also we can merge and center, and we can merge and center the third one too. And after that, what you do, select all these things, put border to that. So the border facility is available on it is here. All borders you put. Now here, serial number, how to put? Just put the first two. Select them together. Come to the corner and click and drag it below. So all the serial number does come. Sometimes we may have to give the numbers for all the subsequent cells, maybe up to 800 or 1000. So this method is much easier for us to do. Now, after having formatted this one, now we will reduce this column width to the minimum requirement so that we can see everything proper. Even the date of joining is not very important. And of course, here net salary is not visible here. We will put that border there also. Come back here. And basic salary, okay. We'll reduce this one further. Now, as per the description given in this sheet, DA is computed at the rate of 33.33% of basic salary. How to do that? We will use a facility called formula. First, I kept the cursor in that cell and put an equal to sign or plus sign, so that now Excel will understand that what I am going to type is a formula. So this is the amount of which I need to calculate 33.33%. So select that. So that cell reference of that goes there, multiplied by 33.33 divided by 100. Enter it here. So you get that figure. So after that, what you can do, go to HRA. HRA calculation, what it says, HRA is paid at the rate of 15% of basic plus DA taken together. So come back to the Excel cell, insert a equal to sign and put a bracket here. Select this plus select this basic plus DA together. And what's the percentage? It is 15%. So multiplied by 15 divided by 100. Enter that. Now coming to CCA, what's the rule? CCA is paid at 7.8% of basic plus DA plus HRA together. 7.8%. So equal to sign, put a bracket, basic plus DA plus HRA multiplied by 7.8, close the bracket, divided by 100. You get this. Now, Provident Fund is deducted at the rate of 8.99% of the first four entity. So come back here, get the sum of the first four entity in a bracket. Basic plus DA plus HRA plus CCA multiplied by the amount 8.99. So 8.99 divided by 100. Now IT is deducted as 10% of the first four together. So here again take the sum of the first four together. Basic plus DA plus HRA plus CCA, close the bracket, into 10 divided by 100. Enter. Now the net salary will be the sum of the first four minus the sum of the last two. Enter it. Okay. So now that we have used just the cell reference. So in this sort of arrangement, what we call them as relative cell reference. So if I copy them to the subsequent cells, the reference points will be automatically updated. Now here in this cell, we found hashes coming because it is an indication that the particular entries have more digit which cannot be displayed there. Therefore, the hashes have increased the width of the column. Now, I will format this one into 2 digits each. Go to format cell and number decimal places 2. Click OK. So you get 2-digit decimal places everywhere. Now, if you want the totals of each, that also we can work out. Come to this sigma, totals of each have come. Here also, if you want, you can put border. And also, here we find that the width is more, so we can increase it a little bit. Here also, we can increase it a little bit. Here also, we can increase it a little bit. So now we have got the salaries of all. Even formatting also we can do. Select this one and then color we can choose appropriate one. So this also completes. So everybody's salary is there and the total salary also is done. So this completes exercise 1 of